Well, for big game day now, we have to have something that the younger football fans would like to have. So I'm going to share with y'all this recipe for puppy chow. Now, this is not for the four-legged puppies, but it's for your little two-legged little mutts.
This is for the pre.
But because it's got chocolate in it, it's not for four-legged puppies. No. It's for the two-legged puppies. All right, so we're going to start by adding one bag of milk chocolate chip morsels. Now, most of the recipes will call for semi-sweet or something like that, but I just love the milk chocolate. I'm just not wild about the semi-sweet. So we're going to melt our chocolate chips, and I'm going to add a half a cup of peanut butter to the chocolate and let it melt. And then I'm going to add a stick of melted butter. Go ahead and... So tell me, I'm really bad about not watching the game. I have been to one live in person that they sent Michael and me to. And it was exciting, but I just have trouble keeping up with that ball, y'all. I can't find it. Once it comes out of the quarterback's hand, it could be anywhere for all I know. So when my senior year, I was the head cheerleader. And I really didn't know nothing about football, but I sure did like my boys in that uniform. And I know one time I called out, "Okay, push them back, girls. Push them back, way back." And one of the junior cheerleaders came over to me and they said, "Paula, we got the ball. We don't say push them back when we got the ball." I said, "Okay, but we sure were cute doing it." All right, so now I'm going to start stirring in my melted butter. This is one of those recipes where you can, make your flavor profiles. You can take it so many directions. Like, I think pretzels would be real good thrown in this with the sweet and the salty. Mm-hmm. So it's really just a matter of your taste. Okay. Teaspoon of vanilla into our melted bag of milk chocolate, a stick of butter, and a half a cup of peanut butter. And now we're going to take one standard box of chex mix. Now this is a 18 ounce, and what we really need is like a 16 ounce.
No, 12.
A 12?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if this is 18, 12, 12, 24, I'm just going to guess at it, y'all. Teresa and I have been walking around digging in it by the handfuls. I think that might be enough. Okay, so we're just going to pour this over our chocolate. Over our cereal, not our chocolate. We're pouring our chocolate over it. I get mesmerized and hypnotized when I start working with chocolate. I don't know what I'm saying. So I'm going to add 1 box of confectionate sugar. Stir that all together. This would be a fun recipe for your kids to make with you.
For the adults, you could spray it with a little bourbon at this point.
Yes, you could. You could actually put some bourbon in with the chocolate and give it a bourbon taste and make it an adult big dog chow instead of a puppy chow. Big dog chow. Okay, I've got a 2-gallon Ziploc bag. And I'm going to pour this in. So don't forget Eddie and Teresa's suggestion. Turn this puppy into a dog. Full-grown, big, bad dog. By putting some bourbon in the chocolate, in the butter, in the peanut butter. Just make sure y'all keep me a bag up for puppies, okay? Really good. Loving Best Dishes, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.